Everyone needs a friend. Plants are no different. Companion planting, or interplanting, is when you let plant friends hang out together. Plant friends like to help each other out. For example, corn grows tall with a shallow root system. Pole beans love to climb tall structures. And when they're planted together, the beans can climb the corn and they help to anchor the corn in place, so it's less likely to tip over in high winds. If you add their friend the squash plant, the corn and bean roots get a squash leaf blanket that shields the ground from weeds and deters foraging rodents from climbing the corn stalks. These three friends are so popular together, they're often referred to as the Three Sisters, and Indigenous peoples have been planting them together for hundreds of years. Sometimes plants do not like each other at all. One example of this is the onion family and the legume family. Onions, chives, and garlic all produce an antimicrobial chemical, which most other plants think is great, but beans, peas, and peanuts rely on bacteria in the soil to help them trap and use nitrogen, so planting them next to the onion family can weaken them. There are lots of lists on the internet and in books that say which plants make good companions. Some of them are based on shakier science than others. Some pairings that I really like are carrots with tomatoes, cucumbers with radishes, and peanuts with hot peppers. But the best companions for any veggies in the garden are almost always flowers, especially French marigolds. Just put marigolds everywhere. Every plant wants to hang out with the marigolds. However your garden grows, keep growing as a gardener.